Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys new Robux items that they added on the Dress to Impress pedal update. So this is the Moon Gazer set. It is so pretty. I love that headpiece. It is amazing. It's so pretty. But they did include more than just the dress. This is the Moon Gazer set. Okay, next we have the... I can't really tell which one's which. I don't think this one's in the Moon Gazer set. I think this is more of this set here. I can't tell because the backgrounds they have is similar. So I'm just going to go to the currency item first on featured. Let's see, Rich Girl set. Okay, so it's this, and the jacket and the boots. Okay, so these boots and then the jacket and then this bag, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's remove the Stargazer one first. This one's the Rich Girl set. Oh my god, I am in love with this top. Oh my god, I actually love it so much. And the best part is I didn't have to pay because I already bought the bag and they just gave it to me for free. And that's so... I'm so happy. Sorry. Anyways, we have also the denim star set. Let's see what we have. Denim set top, pants. Oh, those were the boots. Those were not the... Sorry, I think I... Yeah, these were the Rich Girl boots here. As well as this one was the jacket coat. I don't know. Then we do have the other set, which is the denim one. This one, and I think the back. I think there's no top to this one. I need to see that again. I'm sorry. Oh, they do have a denim set top, which is this one. Sorry.